Meanwhile,
A few moments later.
2 hours later.
Mayday. This is Captain Sabado. Call sign Hotel Alpha November Sierra 5 MMSI number 259789347.
Service motor vessel, Sabado. This is a port service man. I read. You are excellent, loud and clear. This is switch channel 1 to 2. Over.
Port service mean I am going to switch to channel 1 to 2. Service, this is motor vessel Sabado. Sign Delta Sierra Echo Vector 9. Over.
Motor vessel, Sabado. This is a port service. Go ahead. Over.
Port service, I'm on fire on engine room at position 3 to 2 degree 1 to 5 minutes north, 1 to 2 to 4 degree 2 to 4 minutes is over.
Motor vessel, Sabado. Do you carry dangerous or good? Over.
Port service, I do not carry dangerous goods. My cargo is still produced. Over.
Motor vessel, Sabado. This is a port service. Is a part. Is under control. Over.
Port service, fire not under control and danger of explosion. Over.
Sabado. What is the assistant required? Over.
Port service, we need firefighting and medical assistance. Over.
Sabado. Will a fighting and medical assistant medically and now many killed and injury. Over.
Port service, mean no crew were killed and 5 crew were injured.
Sabado. Your message understood. You must stand by at channel 1 and 1 to 2.
Standby at channel 1 to 6 and 1 to 2 out.